Oh my god, is it still following us? Is it here? No, it's not. Okay, let's go. I already opened the car. Let's go. Let's run in the car, guys. Let's go. Let's follow the map. Oh, you got a gun? What is in your back?
It's a gun.
You're so scared about this guy that you got a gun just in case to protect us? How do you say gun in Italian?
Pistola.
Yes, let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my god, guys, we are here. And now it's so scary.
Power of skeletons.
Okay, the power of skeleton. Let's go. Let's go. Maybe they're in the... Look in the bushes. Oh my god, we're gonna look into every single bush around here until we find either a map or a treasure. Are we going down here?
Yeah.
We should... So scary, guys. It's so steep. Oh my god. Can't find anything.
Found something. What?
Oh my god, what did you find? It's a toy. Get it. Get it. Be careful, it's under a huge tree. How could it be we were looking for a treasure or a map? How come? How come do we have a treasure? Maybe they got here before us. Because I think that in the map it wasn't here at all. Do you remember? There was the X. I think that the X was next to the restaurant. What is going on? Jacob, what do you think is going on?
I think...
You don't know what's going on. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I know there is a table where we can play the new toy. You tell us as well. How do you think it's possible that we found a toy instead of a treasure and a map? Are you excited about the new toy?
Yeah. But this is heavy.
Okay, so guys, we are going to try out this toy while we think about what happened because we lost the map.
Without a map.
Which map did you find? We lost the map.
Yes, and then...
This is a map, this is not a map.
I need the map.
And we are going to do a review of this toy, I guess.
Oh,
Yeah.
Guys, we have more Hot Wheels cars.
There are more Hot Wheels on this
But
table.
this is not...
Somebody
This
new.
is not Hot Wheels.
It's not? Oh. What's going on? What is in the box, by the way? Wow. Let's try to put it together. No, you don't need me. You're grown up. It says, let's see again. How old does it say? And based on that, I'll decide 6 to 12. Yes, you're 5 and change. Robert, you like... That's not the instruction. This is the instruction. And I just told you that you have to look at the letters. I'm trying to get the cut out. I know, I'm pretty dramatic. Put those two together, Jacob. The orange with the orange.
Okay, one more orange.
Like that, yes.
This.
Yeah, teamwork, guys. Perfect. With this second try, oh my god, it was so hard. Seems impossible to build this truck. No, it's not. It didn't take us so long. We were pretty good, especially with no instructions. Oh, come on. You can do a triple loop. You can do a triple loop. Whoa!
I missed the bucket.
Too far. Now you have to try again. Oh, almost. I told you that it can go. It was so close. Let's see now the rear view with Robert. Whoop! Fell off.
Well,
Whoa, that's too slow, but it was a good one, you see? Oh, come on!
the bucket.
I can't believe it! Whoa, way too far. Way too far. Okay, now let's put the bucket and let's try number 2. See, Jacob, let's go. Jacob. Oh, Robert, let's go. 1 each.
No, 2.
2 each, okay. Oh, you got it! Okay, now you... Oh, I didn't see it. It doesn't count. It doesn't count. Got it! Are you ready to do number 3, guys? Yeah. Yes!
It's gonna go through this hole.
It's going to go through this hole. How do you say hole in Italian?
Buco.
Book, oh my god, you know everything, guys. Wow. What are you doing that sound for? We need to put that in there, so we need another blue. Did I put another blue in my pockets? Can we find another blue, guys? Yes, I did! I did! Guys, unbelievable! I'm telling these kids that they lost pieces and I keep putting them in my pockets! Oh my god, let me see. Whoa! What? What? Oh! What? No! Don't be scared! Don't be scared! I'm a friend of Captain JR! I'm a friend of Captain JR! They're tricking you with the stunt. This is a real clue for a real treasure! Follow this clue! Follow this clue!
Okay.
Oh my god, guys, what happened? What happened? What did this guy say? What did he say?
He said follow the next clue.
But why? Why? What is going on?
Me, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Do you think that somebody else, did he say that somebody else is following us?
Yes.
And it's dangerous, and he said that this is just a toy and follow this clue?
Yes.
Who sent him?
I think it was Captain JR.
Come, Robert, look. Jacob and Robert, look. What is this?
It's a waterfall.
How do you say waterfall in Italian?
Cascata.
Yes! We have to follow this next clue, because he said that there is...
A real treasure. A real treasure. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe!